Hey, what's up, Casharelli? Today I'm going to IKEA in Emeryville to get a Blåhaj. I almost fell coming into the IKEA. You open this closet and it already has somebody's clothes in it.
They can't even like.
Who lives here?
Try these clothes on because they're like so icky.
How am I supposed to say that? This is where they make the workers eat. Family room setup. They have the couches. Delicious. Badass gamer station. Oh, a little laundry room. Kitchen island's bigger than my kitchen. This is all we came for. They have little ones here too, which are more portable than the big ones. It's a big boy. I didn't know there was different sizes. We're gonna have to get all of them. I'm down in the massive warehouse. This is where you pick your stuff if you were picking up like furniture or something. Okay, I'm all done.
I pledge allegiance